I'm Tom Bruckner, and thank you for watching the series on how I build this ramp. Stay tuned for episode 7.
One of the best decisions that I made on this ramp was putting in a roll-in. Quite frankly, dropping in is scary for beginners. And then as an added bonus, a roll-in gives you a lot of speed for tricks. But building a roll-in presented some unique challenges. So check it out.
Pieces because 6 feet wide is going to have coping, and then about 2 feet wide is going to have a roll-in. Here's my problem. There's nothing on the internet about roll-ins. I have to make one myself. And I was playing around with sort of drawing how it goes. And I was using all different, like I used a frisbee, no, it's too small. A garbage pail cap, too small. So this radius for this roll is going to have to be pretty large. So I'm going to work that out now. I'll jigsaw it. I'll make a template for the other piece, and I hope it works because, like I said, there's no instruction at all on how to make a roll in. This is the biggest circle I have in the yard. It's my kid's swing, and quite frankly, I don't think this is right. I think it has to be a bigger radius. I'm at the point where I might just freehand it, cut one, and use that as a template, but I'll let you know. So this is what I came up with for the roll in. I measured a foot from each point, and then between the hypotenuse here ends up becoming 22 inches. So I figured out where 11 was, drew a line here, measured this from down here, because this is where the lines connect, right? Put it halfway, which was 2 3/8, and then I sketched this line. So I'm gonna guess that I'm probably going to have to try to be as smooth with the jigsaw as possible, and then I'm gonna sand it down. I might be able to do this with the circular saw, but I'm probably just gonna use the jigsaw and then the sander. I think that's the plan. So if I stand up and pull out, I think that's a nice drop in without going crazy with how much wood I'm going to have to cut and how much space I'm going to lose. It looks like roll-ins that I see on the internet are equal on either side. So there's some math to it, or you could just freehand it or figure out a radius, but I think this is going to be the best bet for the roll-in. One thing I hate about a jigsaw is how the blade wanders. And even with a high quality blade, you get stuff like this. I don't have a skill saw, and a skill saw would solve that problem. People think, oh yeah, you can't cut curves on a skill saw. You can. You just have to lower the blade. It's the blade, I mean. But yeah, so I'll fix this with the sander. I should be fine.
With the piece built, I'll slide it into place and I'll put the sheathing and eventually the skate light on it. So I hope that this helped put a roll-in onto your ramp. And if it did and you like my content, make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications, and hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And again, I want to thank you for watching and have a great one.